think about the Gen Z generation coming up and the generations below them, they're probably looking at 60 to 70-year careers. And if you consider that the first child has been born who's expected to live to 150, we might even be looking at 80-year careers being the norm. And there's a small problem with this. The problem being that our careers were simply not designed to last 60 years. I'd actually suggest that our careers weren't even designed for half of the workforce today. By that, I mean careers were designed by and for men. But over the last 100 years or so, we have seen huge changes. We have seen huge progression in the makeup of the workforce. So the face of the workforce looks incredibly different today to how it did 100 years ago. And yet we're still working in these career structures designed by and for men. The average percentage of women making up the workforce is around 30%. So that is quite a step down from university. And this step down isn't unique to me as a woman. If we compare the US college population to Google's workforce, Google being a company that has fantastic employee branding that people really want to work for, we see the same sort of a pattern merging across groups. So women make up 56% of the US college population, but just 31% of Google's workforce. African American students make up 14% of the college population, but less than 5% of Google's workforce. And Hispanic students make up around 22% of the college population, but just over 1% of Google's workforce. And all of this is pretty surprising to me when you consider that racially and ethnically diverse companies outperform industry norms by up to 35%. So let's think about how we get away from that really strict linear progression. How do we move towards career growth that goes in any direction? We absolutely have to focus on internal mobility. You have to be able to support movement of your people in any direction across the organization, across teams, projects, and departments. This opens up opportunity for individuals. It allows individuals to find work that is better suited for them, that is perhaps more enjoyable for them, and that you'll get a better outcome from because they're just more matched to do that kind of work. If people are going to adopt these new agile ways of working, they have to find that sense of purpose in the organization. And that starts by your own organization setting that purpose. Now, executives tend to agree. Nearly 90% say that a defined purpose leads to greater employee satisfaction, but they're struggling to do this. Less than 50% have actually done it. Maybe what you need to do is hire a chief purpose planner, which is one of the jobs in Cognizant Center for the Future of Work, 21 jobs of the future. This is being done at companies like Roche Pharma India, who have a chief purpose officer now. I firmly believe that when we have career structures that are built on greater opportunity, objective career development, and a personalized employee experience, that we will create careers and create a culture of belonging. Now, for the sake of my generation, for the generation that's coming up below me, I want you to think about how you can change your career structures, how you can build careers that are fit for the 21st century. And this isn't just for me and my generation. This is so that you can retain your competitive edge, so that you can retain and attract the best talent and get the best out of them. So I implore you, let's remake careers for the 21st century, careers that are inclusive of everyone.